All that you saw was captured on this device. This is the Camdoc 007, a decoy smoke detector with a hidden camera that can go from 1080p to 4 megapixels. This decoy camera weighs just 262 grams. Straight to what's in the box. When you get the Camdoc 007, you get the device itself with a user manual, USB A to C charging cable, a micro SD card to USB A reader, which is nice that it included such, a blue speaker thing that looks like what you would use to pluck a guitar, and some mounting screws for mounting up in the ceiling. For the main device itself, it looks just like a smoke detector. To be honest, I couldn't tell it apart from a real smoke detector. You get this under part that is meant to be fastened onto the ceiling, and yes, it's the same one used for smoke detectors. You have an under part of the Camdoc 2 wires in case you want it connected directly to power supply, and this would allow voltages of 110 to 220 volts depending on your region. There's a compartment for the battery, which is advised that it should not be removed as you can mix with the polarities. The battery is meant to last up to 6 hours. Also, there's this other compartment that requires you to use a guitar plucker looking thing to uncover, and you have access to the micro SD card slot where images and video recordings are stored, a reset pin hole, and USB-C port that can be used to power the device or recharge its battery. So on the other side of the device, you have this long black screen that hides the camera. It's completely different from other hidden cameras, as you cannot notice it even if you point your phone camera to it to reveal the light. But when setting up or recharging the battery, there are indicator lights that help you with this process. To set up and use, make sure you've mounted the back plate on your ceiling using the provided mounts and screws, and having charged the batteries to full, you can now press and hold the power button for up to 3 seconds. The power button is a small circle thing at the top. Next will be to download the app from the App Store if you're on iOS and the Play Store if you're on Android. The name of the app is CIXICM, or you can scan the QR code provided in the user manual. Open up the installed app and follow the on-screen instructions to connect the device to your Wi-Fi network and to your mobile device. Now to the fun part. Once everything is set up and connected, you can now do a few things. With the app, you're able to view the live camera feed, take photos or record videos, set alarms, pan or rotate, and even zoom in and out with the camera. I'm very much impressed that you can, with your mobile phone, rotate the camera 360 degrees to see all around right from the app. Now to the resolution or quality of the camera. The camera with this device has a 1080p resolution, but can be switched to a higher 4 megapixel resolution for a clearer picture. I would say it's an okay quality. You're able to see what is going on through the lens of the camera, and as a camera lover, I would have hoped for a better quality image, maybe 4K, but not 6K. In low-lit spaces like the studio I have here, the quality wasn't so amazing. You need to install this in an environment where there is plenty or sufficient lighting. Maybe if Camdoc is able to squeeze in a larger sensor into the device, it may be a much needed upgrade. I like how wide the angle of view is, enough to capture and accommodate a lot. In conclusion, would you be needing such a security device? Well, this is definitely not a bad idea, even if for being notified when there is motion within a particular space. Maybe you want to know how your pets are doing, or your babysitter or your kids at home. Then this might fit. It doesn't have night vision though. I reached out to Camdoc. I was quite impressed by their quick response. According to Camdoc, it doesn't feature night vision mode, but this is being implemented in a future model, so keep tabs. I'm also happy that notifications will be sent to my mobile phone via the app when motion is detected in real time, and videos or images will be stored on the SD card for users to accurately capture real-time content of concern. Camdoc says that one phone can control up to 8 of these devices simultaneously. I would have also hoped the battery life can at least last up to 2 weeks or more, like my security doorbell. There are also other discrete devices Camdoc have, like a dummy security wall plug, USB charger, and more, and you can check it out to buy these devices in the description below. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, leave a comment. Let me know how I can do better. Your feedback means a lot to me. See ya next time. Peace.